Your mornings are precious, they are personal. Start your day with ultimate comfort and care. Enjoy affordable luxury and freshness with the Lux Pro intelligent toilets from Ecoway. Advanced technology combined with a sleek modern design. A prestigious thankless design and stylish curves. The Lux Pro will change the way you start your day. It comes fully equipped with a microwave precision sensor that facilitates the opening and closing of the lid, and a tap-in button to open and close both the seat and the lid. Enjoy sitting on a warm and toasty heated seat. No more cold toilet seats in the mornings. Experience ultimate convenience by triggering the front or rear wash bidet with either the buttons on your personal remote, or simply use the knob on the unit. It will trigger a spa-like massage wash feature that will leave you completely clean and refreshed. After cleaning yourself, enjoy drying off with the intricate turbo air dryer that gets you completely dry in a matter of seconds. The Lux Pro also comes with a built-in deodorizer that leaves your bathroom smelling fresh after each use. Be pleased with the ultimate flushing power of the Lux Pro. A dual siphon flush that is always strong and efficient due to the built-in water tank on the inside of the unit. Transform your entire bathroom and change the way you start your days with the Lux Pro intelligent toilet from Ecoway.
Ecoway, expand.